The 14 suspects accused of the 11th July terror attacks in Kampala, which killed over 79 people, made their third appearance before the International War Crimes Division of the High Court. It was time to hear the evidence the state has against two suspects, Idris Nsubuga and Mahmood Mugisha, who have pleaded guilty to terrorism and conspiracy. Nsubuga was the first in the dock, and prosecution asked court to drop the 76 counts of murder against him and asked the judge to be lenient while sentencing him. Prosecution says, having pleaded guilty, Nsubuga will save state resources and court's time, but Justice Dollo rejected this request. The state also argued that Nsubuga had no criminal record and would help security agencies in stopping future terrorism attacks and mass killing of people in Uganda. Nsubuga, it was said, was remorseful and had written to the president while in prison asking the nation to forgive him, meaning he was ready to reconcile with the public. Nsubuga also asked the judge to let him explain why he got involved in terrorism. He told court he was now a reformed person and swears not to repeat the same if forgiven.
My lord, very many youth are ignorant about this whole issue. Given a chance, my lord, I would sensitize them about it because I've been a victim, my lord, of that manipulation.
But Justice Dollo asked him whether he felt more pain than the families of the deceased. According to the Anti-Terrorism Act 2002, the maximum sentence for terrorism is death, while it is 7 years for conspiracy to commit terrorism. Mahmood Mugisha pleaded guilty yet again for conspiracy and again asked the judge for forgiveness, saying he has 2 children to take care of and will work with the state to help trap other suspects still at large. Mugisha is accused of meeting leaders of terrorist groups the Al-Shabaab and Al-Qaeda and fighting alongside them in Somalia. He admitted he was picked by Al-Shabaab leaders as a potential suicide bomber who could execute any terror missions worldwide. After about 5 hours in court, the 2 suspects were driven back to Luzira, followed by their co-accused, who pleaded not guilty. But the sentence of the 2 is going to be delivered on Friday in the same court here in Kampala. And also, other 12 suspects are going to be tried on the 15th of November 2011 in the same court. But more important to note, Idris Nsubuga and Mahmood Mugisha, who are the now convicts, are going to be the state witnesses against the other co-accused. Sudhir Byaruhanga, NTV, High Court, Kampala.